congratulations. It is the night of the sun and the moon. Sabi nga ni Joy Barcoma, congratulations, Sun Valley and Moonwalk.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so grateful to be a Binibining Parañaque 2026.
Thank you so much po at di ko na-expect na ako po ang mananalo ng grand grand winner, Ginoong Parañaque 2026.
And Sun Valley, I knew from the start that mic drop that.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so grateful na yung question, talagang the stars aligned for me talaga tonight.
Yeah. You too, because you have the looks of a real tall, dark, handsome Filipino guy.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Siguro po, na-overwhelm talaga ako. Di ko pa alam kung ano gusto ko sabihin. Di ko alam kung anong emosyon to. Kasi first time ko pong sumali dito. Kaya yun po, salamat po.
It's your second time in Binibining Parañaque. Sabi nga nila kanina, nadinig ng Diyos ang panalangin. The heaven heard it na naibalik mo ang corona after 25 years for Sun Valley.
You know, I really wanted to make sure na sana this year, after 25 years, maibalik. At naibalik naman.
Perfect. It was perfect.
Thank you so much po.
Yeah. Nakakagulat naman na first time mo, but you really did well. Paano mo sa palagay na topple down yung mga giants of the pageant, yung mga frontrunners talaga?
Actually po, ang first time ko po is yung sa school. Then, I realized na may potential, may kaya natin ilaban. So, nag-go tayo, lumaban tayo ng prepared because last year I was invited pero hindi po muna ako nag-go dahil hindi pa po prepared. But right now, prepared po ako and lumaban po tayo. And fortunately, tayo nakakuha ng title. Yes.
That is for the first time.
Yes.
What is your promise to the Parañaqueños and Parañaqueñas out there? Ano sa iyong barangay, Sun Valley?
You know, as I said sa sagot ko kanina, I'm here to use the platform to spread awareness for the history and culture of Parañaque, and I hope to do that within the next few years. Not just for my reign, but you know, until I'm there on social media.
And para naman po sa akin, I aspire to use this platform to inspire other people, especially young individuals, para po ma-promote din po ang advocacy ko na mental health awareness and support.
Congratulations again, Sun Valley and Moonwalk. I've watched you from the start, and now that you had a crown, goosebumps. I was really about to cry kasi kung bakit naiiyak si Moonwalk kanina. I was about to cry, but nakaka-touch na, di ba? Nakakahawa. Ikaw naman ay sanay na, di ba? Congratulations. Enjoy your journey here at Binibining at Ginoong Parañaque. Congratulations.